How to change currency in booking.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can change currency in booking.com. So in order to change currency on booking.com, it's pretty simple. First of all, you need to open up your booking.com application. So whenever you're making a reservation, if you see a currency type or if you want to change your currency type, what you'll need to do is go to your profile page, and once you're on this page, scroll down a bit, and over here you need to go to manage account. To head over to the section of settings and legal. So under it, you'll be able to find a gear icon. Click on the settings button, and as soon as you've done that, you'll be able to see multiple options under it. So right on top, you have an option as currency. So currently my currency type is Indian. Now in order to change it to any other currency type, you'll need to select the particular resident where you're actually residing on, you actually want to change it to. So as you can see that I've done it in Brazilian real. Now it's gonna make it easy for me to see the prices. Basically the prices will be available in this particular currency type. So that is how you can change currency type in booking.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.